Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here. Hope you guys have all been doing well. I was sick the past day and a half and oh my goodness, I don't get sick very often, but when I do, it hits me pretty damn hard. So lately I have been taking my health for granted. So if you ever feel sickness, oh, also it was not COVID. Just want to insert that in there. But if you feel your health declining or maybe you're getting sick, take some emergency, drink some tea, have some soup, do what you can so you don't get sick because it is not fun. But now all I have is just a little stuffy nose, so that should go away in a few days. But super exciting video today because Abby from Thrifting Tailors on Instagram reached out to me and she wanted to just send over some pieces. So I was super grateful for that. So I do want to go ahead and show them off. But first of all, you guys know the drill. Let's go over to her Instagram, kind of get an idea of her style and aesthetic and you know, her overall brand. And then we'll get to unboxing this big old box. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let me scooch over onto the side. Did you guys notice? I got rid of that mirror. I did not want you guys seeing my mess of an apartment, so decided just to put my little bunny portraits instead. Okay, but back to Abby. Let's go onto her Instagram. So you can find her at thrifting_tailors. I'll put it up right over here. And she's also a fellow thrifter, so really happy to be working with her. And let's see, she says, welcome to our shop. Before bidding, check out the rules, accepting Cash App, PayPal, and Venmo. So let's see. The first one, I already love this. We have a little slip mesh cardigan with flutter sleeves. How freaking romantic is that? So let's open up the description. It looks like for all her listings, she does have a bid and a bin. So the bid is pretty much like another offer that's coming from a buyer and the price that they want to pay. But if you want to like purchase this item immediately and just like have it shipped out to you, then you would pay the full price of 30 bucks here. But I mean, so far her pricing is pretty reasonable, especially with the option of having bids too. I love the color palette of this little drop she has here. Screams spring, but also like very cottagecore too. And so she's calling it the sunshine drop. But it totally makes sense because we do see a lot of yellows. This jacket here with the daisies, that is so freaking cute. The drops that she curates are actually very pretty. So I found the cottagecore drop and you guys look at all the textures, the prints. The color palettes do seem to be matching a bit too. You know what, let me just find all the drop posts because I really am into those. I did find this one. This one's called the teddy bear drop and she does have a lot of textures, neutrals with the browns. But as we're scrolling down, I am getting, you know, the sense of branding of her shop. So if you're very much of like soft girl, cottagecore, but also like granny chic, Thrifting Tailors is probably the shop for you, so go ahead and check her out. But you guys, let's get to opening her box now. So I really have no idea what's in this box, but she did ask me my thoughts on scarves. So I'm assuming there might be one or two in here. Also, I think she just kind of curated this based off like my likes or my style. She has been a supporter of my channel for over a year now, so I'm thinking she probably knows my style pretty well. But either way, I am really open-minded to a lot of styles. Now that we're in spring, I'm hoping there are like little hints of color. And she did individually wrap everything, so it's literally like presents. And then she wrote a little note that says, thank you for working with me. I hope you love the items. Excited to see you in them. So freaking cute. Thank you, Abby. Okay, let's see. Let me put this down. Let's go ahead and just start with this one here. So it looks like each individually wrapped item, she has a little note on there. So I'm not gonna read them because I think they might be little styling tips. Yeah, they are. Okay, but you know what? Let's just get it open. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot of things in here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of things in here. Okay, the first one, this camisole in red. Yes, super freaking cute. And I did send over my measurements and my sizes and this looks like it's gonna fit pretty dang spot on. The straps are also adjustable, so those always come in handy. But this color, it's so rich. I love it. And you can't go wrong with camisoles, especially right now because it's heating up in Los Angeles right now. Oh my goodness. A mini slip, so freaking cute. I usually, when out thrifting, I usually come across like knee length or midi length, but a mini length and in black, you guys already know I'm gonna be pairing this with my demonias. So freaking cute. And let's see, we have some spandex shorts. Okay, wait, I don't understand. These are the slip type items. The black ones come with spandex, so it won't be sheer. Oh, got it. Okay, so she included some spandex shorts so that it can go under the skirt here so it's not too sheer. But girl, I like to be a little scandalous with my sheer items. Usually I'll just wear like a matching underwear. But either way, thanks so much for the spandex. I'm also trying to hit the gym more often, so I might be wearing these on the treadmill too. Super comfy. Let's see. And we also have a white one. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, can we just appreciate the fact that she thrifts all these items? Because I've never come across a slip as detailed and pretty as this one. The lighting is gonna go so horribly right now, but let's see. We have this white one here that has a pink trim with a little bow detail here. How freaking cute. And look at the lace too. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, a slip. Oh my goodness. I don't need, you guys, this is so freaking cute. Okay, so not only am I a sucker of satin and lace and these really cute camisoles, but anything with a little slip here to show off a little belly and maybe wear them with like some low-rise pants. Yes, and again, we do have a pop of color, and I don't know what color this is. It kind of looks like a pinky red color. Honestly, I would have been happy with these slips alone, but she really sent over a crap ton of clothes. So let's go on to the next one. And this says that it's a cardigan. Don't know if it's exactly your style, but I think you'd rock it. Ooh, now I'm super excited. Let's see what we are working with. Ooh, okay, some granny chic vibes. Okay, so we have a white one. You know what is so funny is that literally my last thrift trip, I actually thrifted a longer length cardigan like this. So no, this is actually right up my alley. And especially now that we're in spring, these lighter colors are gonna work perfectly. But it does have a button front closure. It's a little hard to show off just because it's really long, so just refer to the try-ons. And then the yoke here does have cable knit detailing. These pockets, we have little patch pockets here on the front with little bow details. How freaking cute. But the buttons don't go all the way from the neck to the hem. It's just like, how many buttons? We have just 4 little buttons here. What's the back look like? Okay, just a little bit of knit detailing here on the back. Yes, super cute. And you know, even though this isn't, I guess, necessarily my style, we can always just like grunge it up a little, make it a little bit more alternative and juxtapose it with some black. I think that would be so freaking cute. Okay, we have some mesh construction pieces. Abby, you know the way to my heart. This is so exciting. Okay, let's see. Ooh, some color here. And this is like a deep burgundy color. The mesh construction is more of like a Swiss dot pattern. And then we have a little bit of like crochet detailing here on the bust. So it's giving like an alternative bohemian type style. Oh yes. And it's a long sleeve too, so it's gonna be perfect for layering. Ooh, and I see that it's no boundaries. Super cute. So it looks like it's a blouse with a scoop neck. It has a little drawstring detail at the bust, and it does have a button front closure. But you know what? I could either wear this as like a blouse and tuck it into some pants, or use it as like a little throw over cardigan. Yes, that would be super cute. And it does kind of have that like crinkly construction, but look at the sleeves. They flare out and have little sequins on them. Oh, we have a little 2-piece set here. Oh my goodness, this is too freaking cute. Y'all, this top is such an Instagram worthy piece. I can't wait to style it. Okay, so we have this little button up blouse. It does have this little square print here, but the cool part is that it is sheer. But the best part is that it comes with a matching headscarf, or you can just wear it as a necktie too. That would be really cute. But she had suggested that I wear it in a ponytail. You guys, how freaking cute would that be? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. But this says part 1 of 2. Don't know your opinion on suits, but I think you can rock it. A suit? What the heck? Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, okay, she included a pair of trousers. Super cute. So these are navy colored. They do have a little pinstripe to them with a folded cuff. And then this one is part 2 of 2. So I'm assuming this might be the blazer. Yes. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay. And it does have shoulder padding, so we are gonna have some broad shoulders here. But it does have a button front closure, just your classic notch lapel, long sleeves. This might fit a little oversized, so we can do a very like masculine or either like an androgynous look. Yes, that would look pretty awesome. We have a few more items. I think we have just like a couple more things. I already see some shoes, so we'll leave those for last. But here comes the tricky part. We ran into some jeans. So the only reason why I say that it's a little tricky, it's because my hips are pretty wide. But with the pandemic, I really feel like my weight went more into my hips and my thighs. So sometimes pants are fitting kind of snug on me, but this says some jeans. They might be more of a crop length, but the red stitching is awesome. I'm totally okay with like any length of inseam because usually if I just wear them with boots, it looks pretty okay. But let's see. What do we have here? Ooh, some cargos, some Lee cargos. These are pretty awesome. And it does have like, oh no, they're actually more of a carpenter style. So we have these huge patch pockets here on the back. We have the little, what is this actually? What is this? Like a little tiny hammer loop? Not too sure, but I love the little contrast detail there. And then a little bit of fading. Yes, I love that they look really like worn in too, because pairing this with like just a classic crop tank top and my demonias, you guys, come on. And the hem's also just slightly distressed, so we get a little bit of fraying. Yes. And then the last thing we have are shoes. What the heck? Okay, I think they might be wedges. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at this. Okay, let me get the other one unwrapped too. But it looks like it's just a corkscrew wedge heel, and it's by Lauren Conrad. Ooh, I used to be obsessed with her. Oh my gosh, Abby, you're gonna have me looking like a lady. These are super cute. I also really like the height of them too. And really appreciative that they are a wedge, so they should be pretty easy to walk in. But yes, okay you guys, that pretty much does it for all the pieces. But you guys, that pretty much does it for unboxing a mystery bundle from my subscriber. If you liked any of the pieces, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join the Eggy family. Huge thank you to Abby for curating this bundle. Thank you so much, girl, for putting this box together. But the fact that you guys even want to send me mystery bundles, I mean, sending pieces to a girl who absolutely loves clothes, that's a freaking dream, so thank you so much. But if you want to check out Abby's Instagram and maybe see which pieces are going to work best for you, go ahead and hit her up on Instagram there. She is at thrifting_Taylor. As always, guys, I post videos at least once a week. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!